Samsung 236 liters. 3-star, convertible, digital inverter with display frost-free double-door refrigerator. Product dimensions 63.7 by 55.5 width by 154.5 height centimeters. Frost-free, energy efficient, convertible. Mode gives flexibility. Special features: energy efficient, inverter compressor, frost-free, automatic defrost, touch control, digital temperature control, door ajar alarm, low noise, adjustable shelves. LG 242-liter door cooling. Star Smart Inverter Frost-Free Double-Door Refrigerator. Manufacturer warranty: 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor terms and conditions. Smart Inverter Compressor, energy efficient, less noise and more durable. Special features: Smart Inverter Compressor, Door Cooling Plus, Multi-Air Flow, Moist and Fresh, Auto Smart Connect, Smart Diagnosis. Higher 240 liters. Energy rating: 3-star energy efficiency. Annual energy consumption: 235 kilowatt-hours per year. Manufacturer warranty: the product comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty and a 10 years warranty on the inverter compressor. Additional features: large veg box, LED light, recess handle, easy clean back, auto connect to home inverter. Special features: 5-in-1 convertible modes, stabilizer-free operation, 220 volts to 240 volts, twin inverter technology, turbo icing. Voltas Beko 228 liters. Single door direct cool, approximately 228 L. Actual star rating appears to be 5B in many listings. No frost-free function, requires manual defrost. Big bottle storage, big vegetable basket with crisper stabilizer-free operation. A Tata product, 228L 2-star frost-free refrigerator with 2 separate cooling system, RFF265D. W0NPR0I0000GO, Night Angle Purple. Godrej 223-liter convertible. Capacity 223 liter. Suitable for families with 2 to 3 members. Freezer capacity 50 liter. Fresh food capacity 173 liter. Energy efficiency: please refer energy label on product page or contact brand for more details. Manufacturer warranty: 10 years compressor warranty, 1 year comprehensive warranty. Special features: 6-in-1 convertible freezer technology. You may use the freezer in 6 different modes as per your requirement. Farm freshness up to 30 days. Keep your fruits and vegetables farm fresh up to 30 days with the help of cool balance technology and moisture control technology. Overall best pick: LG 242L door cooling. Offers fast and even cooling, door cooling plus, smart inverter equals silent and efficient. Spacious, frost-free, great build quality and after-sales support. If your budget allows, this is the most feature-rich and future-proof choice.
Product links are displayed in the description area. You may use them to buy. Thank you. Your support means a lot. hit that subscribe button to keep getting valuable product comparisons and buying tips.